Duol magayo tipo madhie yamo kata Kenya Film and Classifications Board KFCB olando yanga ni gibiro riwore kendo gibiro siro nyasi mar pogo mich mar Kisima Film and Music Awards mar 2020. KFCB ochiero nyasi mar pogo mich goeko ma bang' higni mathoth e bwo telo manyien. KFCB bende koro mor bedo e chenro mar chiero nyasi noero mar pogo mich makamago.
You get 5 million.
Sorry. We are sorry. Let's sign the check.
Okay, this one here. Ah, okay. You have the pen?
Yes, it's here.
Okay. This one. It a sign pen. In a serious manner.
The Kenya Film Classification Board, I am pleased to officially announce our partnership with and support for the 2020 edition of the Kisima Film and Music Awards. This award, which was initiated a few years ago but went into a lull, has now been revived under a new management. And KFCB is very delighted to be part of the Kisima Awards revival and success.
Privileged and proud to announce that this year Kisima Music and Film Festival is a Pan-African event taking place in the entire continent. That's the major differentiator. At the same time, in the wake of COVID, we've launched a portal where voting shall be done through this portal. It's www.kisimamusicandfilmawards.africa. www.kisimamusicandfilmawards.africa.